Our next topic is multiples and factors. So what are multiples and what are factors? Let us see in this video. But before we start, let's recall the multiplication table first. Children, I hope you all have remembered the multiplication table which we have already learned in our last video. So call out all the multiples of 2 means multiplication table of this 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, and on and on and on. Table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, and many more. Now let's say the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 46, 6 sevens are 42, and many more. Table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 60, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, and many more. Can I say, children, the two tables up to 10, 2 tens are 20, the table get over at 20? No. 3 tens are 30. So the multiplication table of 3 is up to 30 only? No. As there are uncountable numbers, so there is no end of table. If you multiply 2 by 11, you will get 22. If you multiply 2 by 12, you will get 24. If you multiply 2 by 13, you will get 26. So in this way, as many times you will multiply, you will get the multiple. So multiplication table cannot get n as there is no end of the number. So what does this number call? These are the product of this 2. If I multiply 2 by 1, I will get 2. If I multiply 2 by 2, I will get 4. If I multiply 2 by 3, I will get 6. So these are all the product of this 2. If I multiply this number by any other number, I will get the product. So this product is also called as the multiples. This product is also called as the multiples. Okay, got it? What are multiples? Multiples means the product of any two number. Multiples means the product of any two number. So 2 ones are 2. So 2 and 1, 2 and 1, these are one kind of number, and the product of 2 is called the multiples. Okay, now let's see what are factors. Let's take the number 2 first. So can you tell in which table the 2 comes? In 1 time tables and in 2 times table. Any other table? No. All the numbers are bigger than 2. So as all the numbers are bigger than 2, so in that table 2 doesn't come. Same like 3. 3 comes in 1 and 3 times table. 4 comes in 1, 2 and 4 times table. 5 comes in 1 and 5 times table. 6 comes in 1, 2 and 3 and 6. 12 comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, in which table the number comes? That are called the factors. 2 comes in 1 and 2 times table only. So, these 2 are the factor of 2. 1 and 3 are the table in which 3 comes. So 1 and 3 are the factors of 3. So 4, 1, 2, 4 are the number in which 4 comes. So 1, 2, 4 are the factors of 4. So what are factors, children? In the table which the number comes, that are called the factors. And what are multiples? The number which comes in that table, that are called the multiples. If you kindly observe this, children, so what you will get? You see now. Let's take a number 12. So 12 comes in number 2 also, and 3 also, and 6 also. And if you see the table of 4, you will get the 4 times tables also. So, let's write the table of 4. 4 is a 4, 4 is a 8, 4 is a 12. So 12 comes in the table of 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 in the 12 times table also. So you can see that all the factors of 12 are the multiples of this number also. So what we can say? We can say factors are the table in which the number comes. So those are the factors of that number. That number can also be the multiple of this number, this factors. Okay. So I can say 12 is the multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 6 is the multiple of 1, 2, 3, 6. 5 is the multiple of 1 and 5 only. 4 is the multiple of 1 and 2 and 4 only. 3 is the multiple of 1 and 3 only. 2 is the multiple of 1 and 2. So you can say these are the multiples. And these are the factors. So, what is the multiples is? Be my factor, I'll be your multiple. Be my factor, I'll be your multiple. So, if you will become my factor, I'll become your multiple. If you are not my factor, I will not become your multiple. See till. In 3 times table, does 2 come? No. So 2 is the factor of 3? No. Because it doesn't come in that table. So 2 is not the multiple of this 3. So 2 is not the factor of 3. Got it? So if the multiple, if the factor is not, if the multiple. So got it, children? So all the multiples, all the factors are the divisor of their multiples. Okay? Factors are the divisor of their multiples. The number which can completely divide a multiple are the number which call their factor. Got it? Now let's see some important properties of multiplication factor. First of all, we'll see some important properties of this multiples. So if you kindly observe this multiples, so what you can recognize from this, let's see for 2 minutes and recall some properties. Try to some important properties of this multiple. See, I could see here all the numbers, all the multiples of 2 is either equal to the number or greater than the number. Same like 3. So all the multiples are either equal or greater. Same like 4. All the multiples are either equal or greater. So I could say that all the multiples are either equal or greater than the number. Got it? So first important property is all the multiples are either equal or greater than the number. Now you can see there is no end of the multiples. There is no end of the numbers means there are uncountable multiples of any number. You can see the uncountable numbers and uncountable multiples of any number. This is another important property of the multiple. Third thing is that what are the multiples? The number which comes in their tables. So if you want to find out whether the numbers are the multiple, of that number, you want to check it out whether the number comes in that table. If 12 comes in 12 in 2 times table, so 12 is the multiple of this 2. 3 comes in this 2 times table, no. So 3 is not the multiple of 2. Okay. Now come to the factors. So if you see this factors, you will find out one thing. 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Because in 1 times table all the numbers comes. So 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Second important thing, there are limited factors. See, 2 having only 2 factors, 3 having only 2 factors, 4 having 3 factors, 6 having only 4 factors. So there are limited factors of a particular number. Second important thing, the factor is the number which divide the factor is the number which divide the number given number completely. If 2 could divide this 2, so 2 is the factor of 2. Is 3 divide this 2? No. So 3 is not the factor of this 2. Got it? Now, one more important thing, the number which has only 2 factors are called prime number, like 2, 3, 4, and the number which has more than 2 factors are called the number which has more than 2 factors are called composite number. For example, 6, 12, 4. 4 is either composite or prime number, children. 4 having 3 factors. So 4 is the composite number. Got it?